Welcome back to the Mortgage and Marketing Update. I'm Brian DeMarie. I'm a loan originator with Union Home Mortgage and the DeMarie Lending Team. So we have our existing home sales report for December. Let's talk about it. Month over month, numbers are down 4.6%. Could be because of the holidays, but year over year, numbers are still up. The big story here is inventory cratering nationally. It's down 14%. So it's possible that they will revise this report. They do revise these reports from time to time, but we are sitting at 910,000 units nationally. This is one of the lowest numbers that this report has ever really given. I got some numbers from Aura. These are average monthly numbers for the last couple of years, 2015 to 2019, cruising along really nicely between 7,000 and 9,000 units per month. 2020 started to decrease, as we know, just under 5,000 as an average. And then 2021 is below 3,000. Right now we are sitting at 2,586 units. So this is a kind of a crisis as far as the inventory goes. Are you a buyer's agent? You're having some trouble dealing with this compressed inventory, multiple offer situations where the sellers only want cash and conventional loans. If you've been doing marketing for down payment assistance, you may have to shift that marketing to something a little bit more traditional, because over the last 3 years, Lily and I have not closed a single down payment assistance loan. We're finding that it's not really a relevant product in this marketplace anymore, especially where they want 30 days or less for the closing. We need 60 days for those down payment assistance deals. But what you want is to be working with loan originators who have a lot of experience and can do really good pre-approvals, because once your offer gets accepted, we need to be sure that we are going to be closing on that loan, right? To get your buyer to the finish line. You're probably going to have to be offering above asking price at a minimum standard these days, maybe suspending the appraisal contingency. But we have something else called a bid over ask tool, where if your buyer is going to be going above asking price, it'll calculate the appreciation over the next year, so your buyer can at least know how much they can go above to be kind of safe, to be within range as of where the market may take them. So at least they'll know how long it'll take for them to recover that above asking price offer. Do you have people still asking you about a housing bubble? I get this question at least once a week these days, even still now. They're usually coming from people that are not in real estate, not paying attention to our industry, and are telling me that they're still waiting for the housing bubble to burst so they can buy at a more reasonable price. Let's go over some numbers so you have some better ammo to talk to your buyers about. So in 2007, there were 3.7 million homes for sale. And now we've got about 900,000 homes for sale. A big difference, right? But we've had a big population growth in the last couple of years. So now there are 12 to 13 million more households now than there were in 2007. And all of those folks are pushing for almost 3 million less homes. So these are circumstances that are not a bubble about to burst. These are things that are only going to be supportive of higher priced homes. Tuesday, the 25th at 11 a.m., Lily's going to be doing a class virtually called How to Read the CD. Remember, you're not usually CC'd on that email, but every once in a while, your buyer may bring this document to you and ask you to explain what's on it. We want to make sure you're not looking at it for the very first time, so you may want to tune in, just get an idea of what that document looks like. Lots of numbers on there. All these videos are backed up on YouTube. Check us out on Instagram. Have a great day.